Hello, my dear students. Now we are here to learn about how to calculate the area of a triangle. First of all, we got some weirdo triangle here. It has all the sides are given. That is 10. This is 15, and this is 12, and all the heights are given. This is the height for that, and this is the height for that, and this is the base, and that's the height for that base. Now let's talk about that one. First of all, I have a triangle here, and I would like to show you that you can turn if you are looking at the question at on the page, so you can turn the page in any way you like. So what's important about this is that if you are looking at the triangle like that, place it on the floor, on the table like that, so the height becomes the one from here to there. Although the height here is given, the height there is given, the sides are there given there, you won't be interested in. You are just interested in the base and the height. If one of the information is not given, turn the page, look at the base like that, and see if this base is given and that height is given. So let's just do this on the board. Now looking at this, remember this is a triangle and you can turn this in any way you like. Right now, anything you choose, it will work because every side and their height is given to you. So everything will work. Let me prove it to you. Area equals B times H divided by 2. Area equals B. So I'm going to use this as the base, which is 15. 15 times height is that one with the 90 degree. Pay attention to that, which is over here 8. Divided by 2, that would give me, that's 4 times 15, 60 meter square. So that's one way to do it. And another way is, so I'm going to turn this triangle like that. So now my base has changed. Now this is the base, which is 12. That is the height that belongs to the base I just chose, which is 10. So those are the numbers I'm going to use, 12 and 10. So now let's go ahead and practice that. Area equals base times height divided by 2, which is, I said 10 times, I'm sorry, that's not the base, right? That's the height. You're going to have the same results anyway, but let's just follow the formula. B is 12 times height is 10 divided by 2. That would give you 12 times 10 divided by 2, again 60 meters square. And now I'm going to change this triangle once again, and you know that I'm going to have exactly the same result for the area. So now I'm going to use this as the base. So this will be the base I am about to use, which is 10. That will be the height I am going to use, which is 12. So now let's practice that. Area equals base times height. Never be tired of writing the same formula. It will help you a lot. Area equals base, in this case, is 10 times height is 12 divided by 2. And that will give you area equals 60 meter square again. So let me clear everything here. It just doesn't matter how you want to calculate the area, which side you want to use it. So if that's the case, now this is a right triangle. If this is the base I'm about to use, I know that this is the height I will be using. And if I turn the base that way, I'm still going to use the same numbers. This will be the base, that will be the height, but I'm still using the same numbers. And let's just do a different triangle here. Over here, I'm just about to use this as the base, but the height is outside of the base. That's the 90 degree, and this is the height I'm supposed to be using when I'm going to use that in the calculation as the base. And remember that if we are to turn this triangle that way, now I'm going to use this as the base and I'm going to use that as the height. Although this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, height is, I don't know, let's say 15. So I am not going to bother the number, this side, which is 10. I'm not going to bother that side, which is 20. I will be using this side, which is 30, and the height that belongs to it. Now, let's practice that.